On this tech newsletter episode, I want to firstly apologize. I won't be talking about tech or data science. I think it would be disingenuous of me to pretend like a war is not happening in Ukraine and in Iran and many other places where people are dying, where it's documented and undocumented. I am already against the next war. I am against forever wars. I think we've reached a point where there's so much pain, so much hurt, so many things that are happening for reasons that many people don't understand. And I can't simply keep on talking about data science, tech, software, and pretend like this is not happening. I'm not going to do this as a weekly thing. It's just a once off episode. That's why I'm apologizing. But I think it's important that I briefly talk about it. Human lives are being lost in many regions around the world for various reasons as military industrial complex gains financially from forever wars, as extremist groups and cultists try to force their ideologies on the world using wars to reshape the geopolitical status. This is not a geopolitical channel, and I'm not trying to be. I'm not a journalist. I don't investigate, and I don't wish to. I'm simply a Christian man with values. I value family, love, peace. These are the things I stand for. And as I stand for this, I'm naturally appalled and disgusted by what's happening in the world today. I'll continue to produce articles on the tech newsletter. I'll probably release a few this week, but I had to take a bit of time the last week or so just to reflect, to see what's going on. As I normally do, some of the geopolitics story, as this channel is not that. There are channels which speak more deeply into it, much more informative about it. I'm going to put the link there so that you can be able to see. One of the channels is Predictive Channels. He speaks about the Iran US war, and he speaks about many other topics, the why behind it. So you understand in the midst of this confusion. There's also a video I'm going to put by Julian Assange about endless wars. It's very important that people understand that as well. As I said, it's very important that you reach a position where you you mustn't also pretend like there isn't wars, like people aren't dying, like there's not human suffering happening. Because when you reach a point where you're easily to shove this out of your mind, you're easily able to go on with your life. You become um, unaffected by this. You inadvertently become less and less. You lose your love, you lose your empathy, you lose your humanity. And inadvertently, you take one step closer to becoming similar to these ghouls that are causing all this suffering around the world. May all those people that have lost their lives, may all the innocent men and women, may all the innocent men, women, and children who have lost their lives for geopolitical and extremist views that they'll never understand, may they rest in peace. May they find peace on the other side, which has been taken and robbed from them in this life. God bless.